Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out. In the darkest night, I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out. You can turn my lights out. In the darkest night.
Hey everybody, so it's Ashley Samantha here, and I am doing a review on the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace, Love, and Unicorns palette. So I've used this in the last tutorial just for like 2 colors, but I want to do a full tutorial on just these colors, which I'm super excited about. So if you're excited to see a review on this, let's watch the rest of this video. And please do not forget to subscribe and like. So let's have a moment of silence for you to subscribe. Okay, so you should have subscribed by now, and if not, then you're missing out, and you're just gonna keep missing out until you come back to this channel and then decide to subscribe again. But let's get into this video right now. So as you can already tell, I put my makeup on already. I filled in my eyebrows. I didn't clean it up with any concealer or anything because I wanted to make sure that I did the full eye look on camera. But again, I just want to show you how cute this palette is. Let's first talk about the outside. I love that this is a rainbow, and I don't have too many palettes that look like this. I love the glitter, and this is actually super soft. It reminds me of something when I was younger, you know those lunch boxes, the characters on it. It reminds me of that, how soft and squishy it is. But the back is of course hard. Let's see, this is Ethereal eyeshadow and highlighter palette. 12 eyeshadows and 1 eyeshadow slash highlighter, which that would then be the unicorn tears. So I'm just going to swatch it for you. This is what it looks like. You guys can see. I'm going to swatch it on my skin. Whoa, that is purple. I don't think you guys, wow. I'm actually really surprised that it's purple. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is purple. On the palette, it's gray or silver. It's this one right here, but it came out purple. I like that. I like that. I love that. I'm gonna swatch a few more. I'm going to swatch Dusk Till Dawn, which is this. I'm going to swatch Artist Pass, which is this. And then I'm going to swatch Fireflies. So these 3 fingers, which they're so pigmented, it's not even funny. Wow, they're super pigmented. This one was Dusk Till, whoa there. This one was Artist Pass, Dusk Till Dawn, and then Fireflies. How do people do the swatches? Hold on. Let's get this together. Hold on guys, hold on. Okay, so this finger was Fireflies. This finger was Artist Pass. And this finger was Dusk Till Dawn. I'm gonna get this together for y'all real quick. Okay. But see, I only did 1 circle for each one, and it comes with this pamphlet of eye looks that you guys can do. So I figured, why not do an eye look? And I think I'm going to do the Queen of the Unicorns eye look, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna do that for you guys because it's different. It's something that I've never done. I've always wanted to play with colors like this, but I've never done it because I was like, oh, my skin tone may not look good with that, but we're gonna find out today if my skin tone is gonna look good or not. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so see how my brows automatically look higher and better? So I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base and just this like little flat brush. And if I'm looking over here, you guys, it's my mirror. I'll try to move it over here. Okay, that way it's not too bad. So just going to put this on the lid all the way up. Alright, so they're telling me to start off with unicorn tears. I need a brush for unicorn tears. I'm just going to use like a little fluffy brush, to be honest. So something like this. And the unicorn tears was like the purple one, so I don't know why they're telling me to put this right here. But you know, I'm just going to do what they say. So I think I did too much. Oh my god. I think I want to clean it up. Oh my gosh. I definitely did not know that's how good the color was, you know. How pigmented. I mean, I should have known because I swatched it on my hand. But I did not know. Then I'm going to take this other fluffy brush, which still needs to dry some. This is not going well. Okay, so I'm going to take this other fluffy brush and take the color Fantasy. So it's another purple color. And I'm supposed to put it below the brown bow. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up this side. There's like no fallout, but it gets pretty messy pretty fast. So that's gonna be my cleanup brush. Now I'm supposed to take the color Fireflies onto the corner, onto the center of the upper lid. So I'm gonna use this brush and take the color. And I want to go as high as possible. Then I'm going to take the color that I used for that purple transition color and just like clean it up, because these colors are out of control. They are out of control. Okay, so now I'm supposed to, it actually is hot, dang. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little brush and use the color, what color? Dusk Till Dawn on the outer corner. Okay, so this is the look, and I mean, her eyes were hooded, so you couldn't really see much of the purple, whereas my eyes are not hooded, so I feel like it looks a bit crazy. So I'm about to clean it up with some concealer. So I kind of just wanted to zoom in more so y'all could see the look. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, so probably it would have been a bit better, but this is a really cute look. I'm going to kind of jazz it up a little bit and add some Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the color Pyro, which looks like this. That looks cute. Then I am going to, should I add some liner? Should I not add some liner? I think I'm gonna do like a little line of liner, if that makes sense. Let me prep my lashes, because you know it's not a look without some lashes that I don't know where they are. They're over there. They're not in the case.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights.
So I thought I was gonna do heroin and relent, you know, flat out fabulous, but it just looks like I had some heroin on and drank some Kool-Aid. So gonna cover that bad boy up. So this is super cute. Let me add some highlighter and the rest of my stuff, like I said, spray my face with MAC Fix Plus so it can all blend in, and then I will be right back so we could talk about this palette. So guys, this is the final look. It's cute. It's really cute. So let's talk about the palette some more. I already did swatches. I don't really have anything bad to say about this palette. It doesn't have a lot of fallout. I didn't see any fallout. Is it worth the money? I definitely think so, especially like with spring and summer coming up, because they have a lot of pinks, a lot of oranges. For example, let me clean my finger off first and swatch this color. It's so pretty to me. It's like, let me see if I could. It's like a rose gold, and they have like orange. So like they have like really cute colors, and then pink, for example. And I just think that the palette's good. What I don't like about the palette is that the mirror is super small, but I mean it's good enough if you just want to like do your eyes. I mean, I guess that's all the eyeshadow palette should have, right? Is a mirror good enough to do your eyes? It's just I've been spoiled by like bigger mirrors. But I mean, some palettes don't even come with mirrors, so I'm very grateful. But yeah, this palette is thebomb.com. I love everything about it, and I don't have anything bad to say. Too Faced, you did your thing. Definitely love this palette, and just keep it up. So thank you guys for watching my Too Faced review of this Life's a Festival palette. If you want to see some more crazy looks or daring looks, just comment down below or thumbs this video up. Do not forget to subscribe, and never thumbs this video down because that's really mean. But can't wait to see Troy's reaction, because I've never done my face like this before at all. So guess we're gonna find out how he thinks of this look, what he thinks of this look. But thank you guys for watching. I will be doing my skincare routine on Friday, so that will be up on Friday. I'll be doing it on Thursday, and it'll be up on Friday, so look out for that, and have a great day.